Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to use the Microsoft Planner in Teams. Microsoft Planner is a simple yet powerful task management tool that integrates directly with Teams, helping teams plan projects, assign work, and track progress. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and click on the Apps icon on the left-hand sidebar and search for tasks by Planner and To Do, or simply Planner. Select it, then click Add to integrate it into your Teams profile. Now go to the Teams tab and choose the team channel where you want to add the planner. At the top of the channel, click plus icon and select Planner from the list. Then click Create a new plan, name it, and choose whether to notify the channel, then click Save, and your new plan is now ready. If you already have a planner board elsewhere, you can bring it into Teams easily. In Planner, just open your plan, then click the three dots and select Copy. Then, in Teams, go to your channel, click the plus icon, then select Website, paste the link and name the tab, then click Save, and your existing planner is now integrated into Teams. Buckets help you organize tasks by category, stage, or priority. Inside your planner board, click Add New Bucket, then name it something like To Do, In Progress, or Completed, and you can create as many buckets as needed to visually structure your workflow. And you can also add existing members, organize tasks using buckets, and add and assign tasks, then enable notification, of course, to not help keep everyone accountable and informed, and also use filters and grouping for better tracking. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.